Okay guys, so we're on the dyno today. We got it's a Turbo R with a RR exhaust manifold, FP green, E85, 900 HO cam, Dirt Monkey intake. I think that's it. Oh, it's got a Raj piston head stud set up in it. We spent some time on it and it's not making great power. We have a miss and the fueling map is like all over the place. So we're gonna pull the valve cover off right now and see if the cam is timed wrong, like it was too thoughtful. So, join us on that. Okay, so we got the new cast version of the Garrett TPR Run BC RZR intercooler. And since we have both here, figured do a little side-by-side comparison. Get it? Side-by-side? Greg also sends this new crow's foot for doing the A-line fittings in here, as it's kind of tight and difficult to get in there. So he said he's sending these out now with them to make it easier. But yeah, figured to give you guys a little look-see here. Back to this popular brand, and these work, as in they don't break, but intake air temps are garbage versus the Garrett TPR BC intercooler. You can tell the surface area for airflow is a lot higher. The seals on all three sides. This uses a factory seal right here just on the bottom, leaving exposed sides for hot air to get past. Plus, as you can tell, seal's missing because it fell off. Design and flow for coolant in these is not great. That is why these are shaped the way they are. Thought I'd give you guys a little comparison here. If you want to see a real good comparison on it, Trevor and Rob over at Peak Off-Road did a back-to-back comparison with data for intake air temps and everything, using this same intercooler. There's like 4 different brands out there, but they're all made by the same person. And Garrett, and how much power the car picked up, and the difference in air temp. So if you're ever wondering why they cost so much, and if it's worth the money over something cheaper, might want to go check that out. Only the best. Dyno Stage 3, black turbo package, E85, of course. Flashing the tune right now, and I don't know where it went. Oh, that's what that noise was. Good old Evo Captain choice. Yep, flashing the tune. We already primed the motor and started bleeding the cooling system, as you can see. We clean that up. Yep, get ready for our first start. Alright, so we're putting Ray's Turbo S on the dyno. We got the dry shaft disconnected from the trans so it doesn't try to jump in the 4-wheel drive and destroy everything. And yeah, see what she does. Okay, so we made 3 pulls. One, I was like a break-in, just to kind of see where we're at. One decent pull. The RPMs were too high, so we made a clutch change, a spring change, and it's still too high. The car is made 27 pounds of boost. It's a stage 3 non-stroker stock head, and it just set the highest horsepower on our dyno for our blackjack, and I had to let out, and it was still climbing. I want to give you guys a little idea of what that looks like over a stock car, because right now it's 80 wheels over a stock car. I'm excited. Freshy. Well, we ran into an issue, so we are putting a new primary on it. It was pretty worn. We tried to rebuild it and clean it up. This customer's into this car a decent amount of money, and he was set a cap. We just can't get the RPMs under control. We keep throwing weight at it, and it just isn't making a change. And usually when we see that, it just means clutches are worn. I don't know what just happened. But anyway, so we have a new primary here, OEM. And we are going to slap the OEM primary on it. I already put it together, reweighted it with what we normally see on this turbo. And we're going to lap it to the crank, torque it, and we will put it back on the dyno and start over. How do you feel about this?
Send it.
Send it, he said.
You should have put more weight because it's making power. All right, so we're done. He's gonna do his own wiring, but Chad's turbo R is complete. Pretty fast little car. So it's on his way. He's gonna be here in a minute to pick it up. Let's do a little walk around.